Hello and welcome to another tutorial on how to add a beautiful and SEO optimized blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, a very simple and intuitive way to add a blog to your website. Today we're looking at Pinegrow. It's a bit of a different website builder. If you've followed our YouTube channel, most website builders so far, no, actually all of the website builders so far, and the landing page builders are all in the cloud, so they're actually online, but this one you have to download. So I've gone ahead and downloaded the Mac version of this Pinegrow website builder, but you can also download the Windows or Linux version. You can have a 7-day free trial, and then you can start paying for the website builder. The big advantage of Pinegrow compared to other website builders is because it is actually on your machine. You can work with it if you're online, offline, it doesn't really matter. Everything is saved on your computer and you're not locked into one or the other website builder and their hosting. All right, let's go here to Pinegrow. So this is Pinegrow. It's on my machine. And let's just say I want to create a new page or project. You can see that there are loads of different options. I can get a Bootstrap 3, 4, 5, a Tailwind, and so on. Different templates. I can also start one from scratch, but let's say I want to go for the agency template. And they even have a blog template, but they don't have a blank template, which I would normally choose. But okay, let's choose a blog template. Okay, beautiful. So now what we can do, because this is just some static HTML, so this actually won't work. So I'm just gonna try to get the main div container. Okay, I think that's this one. Okay, and I delete it. And now here I'm in my section. And what you want to do here is you want to click on more action and on code. So this one you have to click on. All right, perfect. So you see here's our section, and within this section we want to put our code. So now we have to go to BlogHandy, and on our getting started dashboard page, go under code snippet and take the first snippet. Just click on copy. Then go back to Pinegrow and add the code here. And then once again, go back to BlogHandy. Select this, or you can just click copy actually, you don't have to select it. And here we add this code. All right, and that's actually it. You don't see anything right now, but this should change. Let me save that. Okay, I have a Pinegrow folder, blog HTML, okay, perfect. I don't care about this right now. And you see, even within the editor, it actually already previews this HTML code perfectly fine. But also what we can do right now is we can go here. This is the folder, and I can check where is my blog. Here's my blog HTML. I click on it, and this is in my web browser. See, this is my blog beautifully loaded. And now once I upload that to my web hosting, I would need to take that URL. In this case, this is my local URL. So I would need to upload it to my web hosting and then go in BlogHandy under settings and add this as a blog URL, which I can do now for my local one, but this should obviously be your website, your hosted website that is available on the internet. A few other things you can do. You can go under layout and settings, and you can actually change, for example, here, your layout of your blog. And you see it just takes 1 second. You click on there, now you go back, and it already redid the design. Give me 1 more second. We go to BlogHandy. Once again, let's say I really like the cover and the pop grid. Those are my two favorite templates. You see, and it just works beautifully. You can click on it, and again, it just nicely loads the blog post here There you have it. This is the quickest and easiest way to add a blog when you use Pinegrow to design your website. You just simply add our snippet and that's it. If you've got any other questions, please leave them below in the comments. And if you use another website builder, if it's an online or offline builder, just let me know about it and I'm happy to create a video about it. Thanks a lot for listening and happy blogging. Bye bye.